From these bustling receiving bays, where the freshest ingredients arrive daily, we begin the journey of crafting the finest Kadhi Pakora.
Move the gram flour pallets to bay 3. We need the spices next.
Spices are clear on the left.
Copy that. Moving the yogurt to bay 4.
Is this the Besan shipment for batch 34B?
Yes, scanned and logged.
The moisture content on the turmeric looks good.
And the yogurt culture appears viable according to the probe.
The moisture levels on the gram flour are optimal. Good.
The viscosity test on the yogurt also passed.
The spice analysis is complete.
The gram flour shipment is secure. Confirmed. Routing to Kadhi Pakora storage.
Transfer sequence initiated for yogurt tanks in section 3. Ensure clear pathway. Keep the line moving smoothly. The slicing quality looks excellent for the pakora.
Our robotic precision cutters ensure every ingredient for the Kadhi Pakora is perfectly uniform, from the green chilies to the fresh ginger.
Now processing Kadhi Pakora ingredients. Ensure correct labeling.
Viscosity is confirmed at 450, consistent with the last batch.
Good. Record it and prepare the next sample.
Ensuring perfect consistency, the batter travels through our hygienic processing system, ready for the automated depositing machines. As the paddles gently turn them, the pakoras reach that perfect deep golden color, developing that irresistible crisp texture.
The texture on this batch is superb, right within the acceptable deviation.
Good. Keep monitoring the color consistency on the next run.
Here at our facility, we ensure only the freshest yogurt goes into our signature Kadhi Pakora. The gram flour is precisely dosed into the yogurt, ensuring the perfect consistency for our signature Kadhi Pakora base. In this colossal blending vessel, yogurt, gram flour, and a medley of spices combine to create. The rich Kadhi Pakora mixture flows through our sanitary pipelines, arriving fresh in the massive steam jacket. Our enormous steam kettles utilize carefully controlled temperatures and continuous stirring to create the perfect Kadhi Pakora curry. Next, carefully measured spices are introduced by the robotic system, ensuring even dispersion and a...
The viscosity is stabilizing right at the target range.
And the pH levels look perfect for the final product.
Quality check complete. Final seasoning adjustments initiated for VAT 12.
As the mixture slowly simmers, the pakoras begin to soften, soaking up the rich, vibrant flavors of the golden curry.
Pouring the hot sample now.
Container sealed. Check the temperature log in 30 seconds.
Texture and consistency are spot on.
And the spice balance is perfect according to the refractometer data. We have a high quality batch here. The automated packaging line ensures precision filling as the Kadhi Pakora approaches the sealing stage.